India. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another wig review, you guys. We have the Outre Melted Hairline collection today. I'm so excited. I think they have, I don't even know if they have like 3, 6, 9, how many units they have in this melted hairline collection, but these are so pretty. And so this is Divine in the color DR2 Cinnamon Wine. And there are some beautiful colors for this unit, you guys, especially like the bright colors, this copper, the red, there's nice blondes, like an ash tone right there. So really pretty colors for summer. Love that. So this is the unit I have on my head right now. I absolutely love it. It's different for me because normally I wear yaki textured units, or at least like semi-yaki. This is very silky, but it's very pretty and I like it a lot. So let's go ahead and kind of jump right into me. The wig will not be exactly like fresh out of the pack, but I've never worn it. But I did take it out before and put it on my head just to make sure that it fit. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys me cutting the lace, and I might show a little clip of me installing it as well. And then we will come back and I will give you my final thoughts on the unit. So let's go ahead and jump right into that.
I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking about what we have. I've been thinking that you had to come around no more. And it's hurting me so bad. It's hurting me so bad. Every time you walk away, I still need you by my side. Every time you call me up again, you know I loved you, but you lied. But you lied to me. I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking about what we have. I've been thinking that you had to come around no more. And it's hurting me so bad. It's hurting me so bad. And I'm trying to move on from you. Yeah, I'm trying to move on from you. And I'm trying to let go of you. Really, I'm trying to move on from you. Every time you walk away, I still need you by my side. Every time you call me up again, you know I loved you, but you lied. But you lied to me. I've been thinking about us. I've been thinking about what we have. I've been thinking that you had to come around no more. And it's hurting me so bad. It's hurting me so bad.
Okay, you guys, so that was the little like clip installation part or whatever of the video. So yeah, I glued down my wig for like the first time maybe like 2 weeks ago because I rebought Letitia. If you guys don't have that wig, that is absolutely one of my favorite units ever. It's so pretty. I have a review on it actually, so I will link that in the description box down below in case you guys are interested in a nice natural yaki textured unit. But yeah, so I laid my wig down for the first time with the Got2b glue spray, and so I was like, let me like try to do it again for you guys today. So I think it came out pretty good. So let me get close up to show you guys how it looks. Of course, this is a synthetic unit, so obviously the knots are like a little dark. You cannot bleach them. It's synthetic, like your wig will fall apart. So it just kind of like is what it is. But I did put some Maybelline Fit Me powder in the parting space. This is a left side part, you guys. By the way, I want to mention that because there are not a lot of left side part units available. So if you are a left side part kind of girl, then this is the unit for you. Okay, I didn't realize until I bought it, but it's fine. Normally I wear a right part, but the left is cute. It works good. So yeah, but yeah, I laid down the unit, and so I just like did my baby hairs and stuff, and I think it came out pretty cute. I am gonna buy some lace tint though from the beauty supply store. So you guys will see me test that out at some point, but just to get the lace to be a closer match to my skin color. So yeah, but I think overall it looks pretty good. Okay, and of course, I absolutely love the color. And the unit is big head friendly as well. So I think I pretty much mentioned everything. Left side part, big head friendly unit. I showed you guys the inside. You can cut that elastic band off just like I cut mine off if you have a bigger head, because it's really, really tight. So I snipped that right on out. Silky texture unit. It is about 14 inches. Let me show you guys the back. So yeah, I think that's pretty much everything I have to say about this hair. If you guys have this unit, and if you have it in another color, let me know what color you have it in, or what color you are thinking about getting it in if you're gonna buy it, down below in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys and chat a little bit. So yeah, I think that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. I'm gonna have another melted hairline collection wig coming up next. So definitely subscribe and be around for that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I just wanted to go ahead and plug my company right at the end because I forgot to. So at the beginning of the video, I was wearing a silk robe, and now I'm wearing a two-piece like biker tight set. So they look like this. And it's like the dry fit material, super cute. I have these in a few colors. So if you guys are interested, I'm having a 50% off sale on my website right now. So I will leave my website down below in the description box in case you guys are interested. And that really is the end of this video. So I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.